How to create account in Sweatcoin. Hello and welcome to Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an account in the Sweatcoin app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Open up your Sweatcoin app, and I'm on Android phone, so it is only showing me to sign up with Google. So I'll tap on sign up with Google. Then here you will see all of the email accounts you have on your phone. So select one to which you want to sign in. After selecting, tap on continue. And here you have to give access to physical activity. So tap on access physical activity and tap on allow. And if you want, you can enable Google Fit. If you don't want, you can tap on skip. So I'll just tap on skip. Again tap on skip anyway. And here you have to allow step counting. So tap on allow step counting. You have to give permission. To give permission, tap on allow again. And the account is now created. So this is how you can create account in Sweatcoin. Thanks for watching.